Hi everyone, I'm back with another 3ds Max tutorial. So it's a continuation of my 3ds Max tutorial series. So yeah, so today's topic is extended primitives. You see on the on the creation option, if you click on this, there will be the standard primitives. We discussed about the standard primitives. Now is the extended primitives. Okay, so just like the standard primitives, extended primitives has its own option and own items to creation items. So just like this one, the hydra is like this. Torus knot, something like this. Chamfer box. Okay, so the chamfer box, you in the standard primitives only the box. So now you have this is a box, so now you have this option, this. Okay, this is a chamfer box. Chamfer means you have to you have the option to round the box thing. And chamfer cylinder, again you see, round the thing. Okay, then you have oil tank here. Okay, oil tank just like this. You have the option to do this. Okay, and then capsule is this one. So yeah, so and also spindle, some sort of this thing, L extension. Okay, so it will do this. Gengon or something. Okay, and also C extension or something. Okay, you can do this. Okay, then ring wave. Okay, I don't know how to use that. I never used that, but but it is here. And hose. Okay, hose and prism. Okay, some sort of this thing. I never used this. So you see, I covered all the, I create all the extended types, shape types actually. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, almost 13. I mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yeah, 13 shapes. So these shapes are actually it's a kind of as I said before, this is a kind of a helper for the asset creation or something. Let's say you this shape, right? This shape, some sort of chamfer kind of thing, the rounded box. So you can have you can have it from extended primitives, and also some sort of this shape you don't have in a standard primitives. Okay, and also this one, maybe this one is very useful for render testing or something. And this capsule type of cylinder, these things, okay, they are very handful for for some sort of uh, modeling things. You may need this kind of assets. Okay. Okay, and these two, the C and L, this is very helpful, maybe for the architects who wants to do the floor plan or something. So this is kind of a L wall. This is kind of a C wall. So you they can have it from here. Okay. So if I go to the basic difference is standard and or extended is they have this this models or shapes have some extra parameters. Let's say this one. If I go to the if I go to the modify tab, so as like the before, you have length, width, height, and you see this one, you see, and you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, and also you can do this. You can increase the segments or you can decrease the segments on this. Okay, so this is some sort of a very familiar thing. Okay, now this one, you can have side parameters, you can have okay, this capsule, maybe the radius, maybe. Okay, this one, so this, and also this length, height, and yeah, this one you can tweak this one. And also let's say the segment is here, segment is here, and segment is here. Okay. Okay, you can do that also. For this one, maybe, yeah, you can have a side segment like this, so the increase of the segment is smoothing the object. And also this one, you have this segment, and this segment. So yeah, and also this, oh my god, this has so much parameters. So yeah, I never use that. I You may give it a try to tweak the parameters and see what changes it brings. Okay, this one is a segment, is this one. Okay, so each of the things has its own parameters layout, and has its own option here. So this is, guys, this is extended primitives. So the difference is only the difference is on the parameters, on the modifier. Okay, modifier and the parameters that you have some sort of extra options to tweak the model. Okay. If you want to create, why this is necessary, if you want to create, say, let's say this oil tanker, right? This is a capsule or some sort of oil tanker, this kind of oil tanker, let's say, or capsule. If you want to create manually, this is very very hard and time consuming if you want to create it manually. Okay. This one also, for instance, this one is a chamfer cylinder. This is also time consuming. The oil tanker, this is also time consuming. Okay, so Max is giving this kind of extended primitives along with the standard primitives to speed up the modeling process, to start with something something primitive to start with, something some base model. So yeah, later on I will show you how to create a model with this thing. This will be the first modeling experience and modeling practice in this course actually. So this is the end of this video. So at this the end, I can recap that we discussed about the extended primitives. We saw the the models of this and the parameters of this. So I hope that you will learn a bit, and you will explore more. Okay, I will come again with another tutorial. So till then, bye. Thank you.